Hello Amavi, welcome to our channel Step in Adventure. Subscribe to it on YouTube. Today we are making a video on connectors. So what's a connector? It's a technical term for a carabiner. What type of carabiners do we keep? So we have a brand called Kong, which is in existence since 1830, and we are going to talk about different types of carabiners and shapes. The first shape that I'm going to talk about is a screw carabiner. So what is a screw carabiner? Screw carabiner is basically there is a screw to it, you lock it and you lock the carabiner or unlock the carabiner. You unscrew it and lock. In this there are various shapes. The shapes that we are talking about screw carabiners today are oval, asymmetric, HMS, and then we have something like a smaller shape, so smaller size carabiner, but there is no technical term for this. So basically we have 5 different terms for it, out of which 3 of them that I'm talking about is a oval shape, asymmetric and HMS, and then the other ones that are used are in the industrial version. So this is about the screw carabiner that we are talking about. The materials that the carabiners are made is alloy. Then we have steel, which is a heavy load product, and then we have something called as AISI 316L. That is a different term used again in industrial versions. So that's the reason it's called 316L is basically a grade of the steel, and AISI is the certification of the steel. So these are the types of materials that are used in the carabiners. So that's all about the carabiners. If you need more information, you can log in to our website, go to our website www.stepinadventure.com. If you need more such kind of informative videos about the technical products for mountaineering, rock climbing, sport climbing, outdoor climbing, we are happy to assist you. Suggest us in the comment sections what more videos you would like to know. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel Step in Adventure. You can subscribe to our handle, follow our handle on Instagram, which is Step in Adventure again, for more informative videos. Thank you. See you soon in the next video.